Good morning to everyone. My name is M. Ramchandra Reddy. I am studying 9th standard in Vagdevi High School.
Good morning to one and all. My name is K. Shivani. I am studying 9th class in Vagdevi High School.
Today we are telling about GST 2.0, a new era of taxation in India. The Goods and Services Tax GST introduced in India on July 1st, 2017 was a revolutionary step towards creating unified national market. It replaced multiple indirect taxes with a simple, transparent tax structure. Over the years, GST has simplified trade and commerce.
But it has also faced several challenges such as technical glitches, refund delays and complex compliance procedures. The revised GST, also known as GST 2.0, offers numerous benefits for consumers, businesses and the economy. Here are some.
Revised GST, also known as GST 2.0, offers numerous benefits for customers, for the consumers, businesses and the economy. Here are some key advantages. Consumer benefits. Revised GST. GST rates on daily essentials like food staples, medicines and farm equipment have been reduced to 5% or exempted altogether, making them more affordable.
The reforms that are excited to lead to job creation and economic growth.
Revolutionary e-way bill has relaxed its rules. E-way bill rules has relaxed and fair contribution, luxury goods and sin goods like high-rated cars and tobacco has taxed high-rated fair contribution.
Economic benefits. Increased consumption. Reduced GST rates on essentials are expected to boost consumption, particularly in rural areas.
Easier input tax credits. New rules allow businesses to claim the tax credits more easily, improving the cash flows.
Affordable healthcare. Life and health insurance premiums are now exempt from GST, making healthcare all more accessible.
Business benefits, simplified compliance. GST 2.0 simplifies tax slabs, reducing the complexity of compliance and making it easier for business to operate.
The automotive industry is expected to see a surge in demands due to reduced rate in small cars and two-wheelers.
Cheaper household items. The GST taxes of the household items such as bicycling, kitchenware, tableware and furniture made of bamboo have been reduced to 5%.
GST 2.0 promotes transparency and making it easier for consumers to track taxes and for business to